Hello everyone, welcome to Missouri State University's Testing Center. Today, we'll walk through everything you need to know before, during, and after your exam. The Testing Center is located on the lower level of Duane G. Meyer Library. You can check the library map to guide you, or just follow the posted signs. Take either the stairs or elevator down to Meyer's lower level to find the Testing Center. Just follow the signs once you are there. When you arrive, go straight to the front desk. All exams require a valid photo ID, no exceptions. A Bear Pass ID works for Missouri State exams, but other tests may have specific requirements. At check-in, a proctor will greet you, confirm your appointment, and will ask you to sign a user agreement form before your exam begins. Be sure to double-check your exam details when you schedule online. Exams must be finished at least 15 minutes before closing time. Next, you'll secure all your belongings in a locker. This includes phones, smartwatches, wallets, hats, and anything in your pockets. Nothing should be on your wrist, in your pockets, or on your head during testing. Hats and head coverings are not allowed unless considered religious apparel. This helps ensure a fair and secure testing environment. After storing your items, a proctor will escort you into the testing lab, seat you at a computer station, and help you log into your exam. Once you're set up, the proctor will step out and you'll have the time allowed by your instructor or testing company to complete your test. When you finish, return to the front desk to check out. Some exams give you the results right away, while others may take a few days. Finally, collect all your belongings and you're all done. We hope you enjoyed your experience here at Missouri State's Testing Center. We look forward to seeing you soon.